Hello, hola, welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. You know who I am. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today we're talking about post-pandemic side hustles. We've had it rough. We've seen a lot in the past year and a half. 2020 was something, ooh. There's been a struggle for landlords in 2020 and 2021. There's been a struggle for rehabbers in 2021. There's also been a struggle for wholesalers. It's been rough. It's been tough. There's also been some things that we wish we should have did and could have did for 2021. Well, it's not too late. Today I'm going to go over a few side hustle ideas. So come on in. Say post-pandemic, but the pandemic actually is still going on right now, and these are some side hustle ideas that you can still start right now. So before I get started, if you haven't already, you know what I'm gonna ask. All I ask is that you click that subscribe button so that you can get free valuable information on ways to make you money, save you money, some tips and tools on being a landlord and a wholesaler. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and I have all that good stuff for you. So be sure, if you haven't already, to click that subscribe. Comment in the section below. Let me know where you are in your real estate, or let me know where you're at in your business, on your next side hustle. If you've already started a side hustle, let me know that. Let me know that. We're going to jump right into it. This video is going to be very short and sweet. There's a few side hustle ideas that I have for you. So let's get into it. Number one, portable car wash. That's a good one. Portable car wash. Number two, a cleaning service. There's so many ways. You have Airbnb hosts are always looking for cleaning services. They are always posting and asking, I need a good cleaning company. So if you have a cleaning service, you can get one or two investors and have enough to make you a pretty good penny starting a cleaning service. In some cases, you can charge $85 to $125, and it only takes you 2 to 4 hours. The third one, be an online reseller. As an online reseller, you can flip phones. You can go to Goodwill and buy some items and then resell them on eBay, Amazon. You can resell them through OfferUp. Be an online reseller. Go a little further than that. Buy some things at a cheap price, turn around and flip it and sell it for more. Online reseller, great business, check into it. The fourth one is an online teacher or tutorer. Great business, especially if you know a different language. If you know Spanish, that language difference will be really good. If you're really good in math, or if you're already a teacher, add being a teacher online. If you're not a teacher, if you're not certified, you're just trying to make some extra money teaching, be a tutor, online tutorer. The fifth one usually work in big cities. Be a dog sitter, a dog walker. It's great business, especially if you love animals. Do an ebook. One thing about an ebook, here's a good one. You can resell it over and over and over. Number 7, you've heard of it. If you haven't, then here it is, affiliate marketing. That's a good one, but you have to put some grind into that along with everything else. You'll need to put some grind into it. You'll need to do some advertising. You'll have to get your pieces out there. You have to have a tool so that you can do some affiliate marketing for other companies. Number 8, online virtual assistant. You'll see VA. In real estate, VA means virtual assistant. Become an online virtual assistant. A lot of businesses are looking for that, especially in the real estate industry. Realtors even are looking for an online or virtual assistant. Check into it. Before I get into the next few, I want to give a shout out. You know I love my shout outs. I got to give a shout out to my new subscribers. Take a look here, here, somewhere on this video, you know I have you posted somewhere where I want to congratulate you and let you know that I appreciate you subscribing to the Rena MoMoney Plus video. Again, I always stay to the end. I always have a tip, a tool, or a nugget for you. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Also, don't forget, in the description, I have some resources that you'll be able to use to help you along with this real estate. You know, I've been in real estate since 2003, so I'm pretty familiar with some of the techniques and tools that need to be used. Right now, in 2021, one of the best things to use is systems. Remember that. Systems is key. Systems will help you elevate. Systems will help you automate. So be prepared for that. Look in the description below. I have some good stuff for you. Always stay to the end. Make sure you subscribe because this is good, free, valuable information for you. Also, I have some previous videos on side hustles. I think I have a part 1 and a part 2. Be sure to go back and look through the channel and you'll see where it says side hustle part 1, side hustles part 2, and I break down some more side hustles that you can get into fairly cheap and get started right now, immediately started making money throughout this pandemic and even after the pandemic, this post-pandemic. They say post, but it's still going on, so make sure that you guys are being careful and masking up. Speaking of masking up, that came to me, start a mask business. Start a mask, make it customized. That's a good one. Create something that you haven't seen. Think about it. Think on it and see what you haven't seen. Or if you have seen something out there, tweak it and make it your own. Create that mask business. That's hot right now. There are so many different side hustles that you can do post-pandemic. These are just a few. Google up side hustles. You may be able to find a lot more than I've talked about. Again, this is the 3rd video on side hustles. Take time out to look back at the others. That's what I have for you. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for coming back. Thank you again, and you take care.